simple example, def print lyrics. Print lyrics is there. It is a one of the function. How to know it is a function? With parenthesis. Parenthesis is indicate the word as function name. Okay. After colon, when enter, it gives 4 default white spaces. It is called indentation. It is called indentation. The indentation is represent function body beginning. Function body begins. Okay. Then here you will write the statements, sequence of statements. So for example, print this is the first statement of lyrics. Okay, right, like this, print. This is second statement of lyrics. We enter. If you want to close this function, then enter. Now it is a function. How to know it is function or not? By using the type command. Type function. Type. It is print. The function name print lyrics. Okay. It will display the category is function type. How to execute the function? Okay. Just we'll call the function name by using the function name print lyrics. Okay, with parentheses. LYRX. Okay, sorry, here I am type mistake. Okay. And lyrics. LYRICS. Parentheses. It gives output.